Everybody has a plan until you get punched in the face.
Yeah.
It's what the market's willing to bear. It's the pain point that the market has. But let me hit you with kind of maybe a deeper, like philosophical question. Like what is the purpose of product management?
Sure. To me, product management is the role that is trying to solve a problem that the market is willing to pay for. And one of the reasons I fell into product is I went from a small startup doing sales where the president of the company, the vice president of sales, the VP of engineering, all sat in the same room, entrepreneurially led, they had the vision. But as I went to larger companies, they really have too many functional areas competing for what needs to be done. And product is that role to help prioritize a market vision from an outside in perspective of what we need to be doing, being the product CEO, trying to make those decisions and run it like a business.
Yeah, and that first point you made there is so critical, and I think so many people miss this. It's a point that the market has. It's what's the famous quote? Everybody has a plan until you get punched in the face. Product folks, that's why I love them. They're in the trenches. They're helping to find the strategy, the features that you need, while building something that's actually viable for the business. I think that's a piece that gets forgotten a lot of the times.